fly. It's fly, right? As almost done. I just came up with a new idea. It should be an awesome paper plan. Okay guys, to throw this paper airplane you need to throw it up high. Hold the paper airplane right here and throw it at 45 to 90 degree. Okay, just throw it up. You can see that when you throw up, the plane will fly for a distance. If you throw it down, it won't fly. It won't fly well at all. Okay, so hold the plane right here and throw it again, and you will be surprised how well it will fly. See, very unique paper plane. What I like about this paper airplane is it is very easy to fold, and everyone can fold it easily. And the folding is totally new and unique, which I invented recently. So I would say this is one of my new and favorite paper plane. Hope you guys will enjoy making this plan. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe. And finally, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Hello guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to make an ultimate paper bird. This is my newest design, and I'm very happy to share with you my favorite design here. This plays very well, and I hope you guys will enjoy